Aren't you so tired of this?
To my dearest Jonathan. Dear Jonathan, I deeply wish that there was some way I could write to you easier, or possibly quicker. I hate having to keep writing to you this way. It's so tiresome writing with these dated old ink pens and feathers. There must be another way. Sincerely, Sincerely, Kate. Now there's a solution to all your hand cramping. 1868 is the year for new inventions. Introducing Christopher Latham Scholes.
Hi, I'm Christopher Latham Scholes, and I'm here to introduce the Scholes & Gliddon's Typewriter. This new invention will change your life and make writing much easier. It is revolutionary and it makes writing so much faster. You'll be done writing your paper in the blink of an eye. Hey there, Kate.
Oh, hey!
What you doing there?
Just writing a letter to Jonathan, but my hands are cramping so bad.
Well, I have a solution. The Scholes & Gliddon Typewriter is for you.
Oh, wow!
You may be hesitant or scared about this new piece of technology, but let me tell you, it's great, and it's so simple to use. All you have to do is insert the paper, and type away. Wow! So why should you believe me? Just listen to this valued customer.
These typewriters are so great. They'll make writing letters to your dearest Jonathan almost 10 times faster. And another thing, this invention will last you such a long time.
I love the new Scholes & Gliddon's typewriter because it's great for so many reasons. It has changed my life. I use it almost every single day, and now my arthritic hands are no longer so arthritic. Also, I have been working with writing and printing for most of my life. After I finished school, I was apprenticed as a printer, and shortly after that, I published a newspaper with my older brothers. So I know a lot about writing and printing, and this invention expands my knowledge about it. Now, you might be thinking, Christopher, the price of such a divine creation must be immense. Well, my fellow sir, this profound invention may appear to be quite costly, but it will last until Pluto is no more. I can assure you the typewriter will be extremely worth the coins.
If you mail us within the next 6 to 8 days, you can get this typewriter for just 4 easy payments of $24.99. If you do this, we will also add in the extraordinary gift of 2 free bundles of paper and a pre-filled ink cartridge so that your typewriting journey is easy and worry-free.
The Scholes & Gliddon Company is not responsible for any malfunctions or injuries that may come from operating this typewriter.
If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please mail a letter to me, Christopher Latham Scholes, and I will write, or should I say, type, to you as soon as I possibly can.